Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered why stars shine brighter some nights and dimmer others? It's not your imagination playing tricks on you. Stars, including the prominent Betelgeuse, do indeed fluctuate in brightness. This cosmic dance is not random, but a part of their life cycle. But what happens when a star starts to dim more than usual? One star, Betelgeuse, has been behaving quite extraordinarily, and that's the cosmic mystery we're unraveling today. Betelgeuse, a star in the constellation Orion, has been a beacon in our night sky for millennia. This celestial body, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, has fascinated astronomers and casual stargazers alike with its radiant glow. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant. Now what does that mean? Well, it's a star that has exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core and has expanded to a size far beyond that of our own sun. If Betelgeuse were to replace the sun in our solar system, it would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. Its sheer size is truly mind-boggling. But its size isn't the only thing that makes Betelgeuse stand out. It's also a variable star. This means its brightness fluctuates over time, sometimes dramatically. Betelgeuse's light can vary over periods of a few hundred days, making it a captivating target for both professional and amateur astronomers. Looking up at the sky, Betelgeuse is hard to miss. Its reddish hue sets it apart from the other stars, and its position in the constellation Orion makes it easily identifiable. But something has been happening with our fiery friend. Recently, however, Betelgeuse has been dimming dramatically and astronomers are intrigued. This unprecedented dimming of Betelgeuse has set off a cosmic alarm bell, and the entire scientific community is waiting with bated breath to see what will happen next. Our story begins in late 2019, when astronomers noted a significant change in Betelgeuse's brightness. The star, usually one of the brightest in the Orion constellation, began to dim. This was not entirely unexpected, as Betelgeuse is a variable star known to change in brightness over time. However, the extent of this dimming was unprecedented. As we moved into 2020, the dimming continued at a rapid pace. By February, Betelgeuse had lost more than 2/3 of its usual luminosity, causing it to drop out of the list of the top 20 brightest stars in the night sky. The astronomy community was buzzing with speculation. Was this the prelude to a supernova explosion? Or could there be another explanation? Throughout the spring and summer of 2020, Betelgeuse remained unusually dim. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that the star had ejected a vast amount of hot material into space. This created a dust cloud that obscured some of the star's light, contributing to the dimming. However, by August of 2020, Betelgeuse started to brighten once again, returning to its usual brilliance by the end of the year. This led some astronomers to suggest that the dimming was simply part of the star's normal brightness cycle, albeit more extreme than usual. But the roller coaster ride was far from over. In late 2022, Betelgeuse began to dim again, even more dramatically than before. By the spring of 2023, the star was barely visible to the naked eye, sparking renewed theories about an imminent supernova explosion. Yet, once again, Betelgeuse confounded expectations. In the summer of 2023, it began to brighten, regaining its usual luminosity by the end of the year. Astronomers were left scratching their heads, trying to understand the star's unpredictable behavior. As we stand here in 2024, Betelgeuse continues to shine brightly in the night sky. But the memory of its recent dimming episodes remains fresh, reminding us of the star's capricious nature and the mysteries that it holds. In summary, since late 2019, Betelgeuse has undergone 2 significant dimming episodes, each followed by a return to its usual brightness. These fluctuations have sparked a flurry of scientific research, as astronomers strive to understand what's causing this unusual behavior. The dimming of Betelgeuse has indeed been a roller coaster ride, leaving scientists and stargazers alike on the edge of their seats. As we continue to observe this fascinating star, one thing is certain: Betelgeuse keeps us guessing, proving once again that the universe is full of surprises. So, what's causing this cosmic light bulb to dim? The enigma of Betelgeuse's unprecedented dimming has been the subject of intense study and speculation. While the exact cause remains unknown, several intriguing theories have been proposed to explain this astronomical phenomenon. Today, we'll delve into the main theories behind Betelgeuse's dimming, including stellar aging, dust clouds, and the potential impending supernova. Our first theory takes us into the heart of Betelgeuse itself. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle, a process known as stellar aging. This stage is characterized by the star exhausting its nuclear fuel and undergoing significant changes in its structure and behavior. Some scientists believe that Betelgeuse's dimming could be a symptom of these internal changes. As the star burns through its fuel, it may be contracting and expanding, leading to fluctuations in brightness. However, this theory is not without its controversies. Critics argue that the rapidity and extent of Betelgeuse's dimming are too extreme to be explained solely by stellar aging. Our second theory transports us beyond the star's surface to the space surrounding it. Betelgeuse, like many stars, is surrounded by a cloud of dust and gas. This interstellar material can influence how we perceive the star from Earth. If the dust cloud around Betelgeuse has thickened or moved, it could obscure our view, making the star appear dimmer. This theory is supported by observations of asymmetrical brightness across Betelgeuse's surface, suggesting that something, possibly a dust cloud, is partially blocking the star's light. However, the dust cloud theory also has its skeptics. Some argue that the dust would have to be incredibly dense to cause such a significant decrease in brightness. Finally, we arrive at the most dramatic theory, that Betelgeuse is on the verge of going supernova. In the final stages of a star's life, right before it explodes in a supernova, it can experience a sharp drop in brightness. Could Betelgeuse's dimming be a prelude to such a cosmic event? The prospect is thrilling to astronomers. A supernova explosion from a star as close as Betelgeuse would be a once-in-a-lifetime event, possibly outshining the moon and visible even during the day. However, it's crucial to note that while this theory is captivating, it's also the least likely. Betelgeuse could still have tens of thousands of years left before it goes supernova, and the dimming could just be a blip in its long lifespan. It's also worth mentioning that these theories are not mutually exclusive. It's entirely possible that a combination of factors is at play. Stellar aging could be affecting Betelgeuse's internal processes, causing it to eject more dust and gas, which in turn obscures the star's light. Or perhaps we're witnessing a complex interplay of stellar aging and the early stages of a supernova. While the cause remains uncertain, each theory offers fascinating insights into the life of this colossal star. These speculations not only deepen our understanding of Betelgeuse, but also shed light on the life cycles of stars and the dynamic nature of our universe. As we continue to observe and study Betelgeuse, we inch closer to unraveling the mystery of its dimming, reminding us once again of the wonders and mysteries that lie beyond our world. Whilst the cause remains uncertain, each theory offers fascinating insights into the life of this colossal star. Betelgeuse's dimming isn't just a spectacle, it could have significant implications. The star's dimming might seem like an isolated event, a single star in a distant constellation behaving a little oddly. But the implications of this dimming could be far-reaching and profound. So let's dive right into it. One of the most exciting potential implications of Betelgeuse's dimming is that it could be a precursor to the star-going supernova. You see, before a star explodes in a supernova, it often undergoes a period of instability which can include dimming. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, it would be an extraordinary event to witness. The explosion would be so bright that it could be visible during the day and might even outshine the moon at night. Imagine stepping outside and seeing a new, incredibly bright star in the sky. It's an event that would be recorded in history books and remembered for generations. Now, before you start worrying, let's clarify something important. Even if Betelgeuse were to go supernova, it wouldn't pose a danger to life on Earth. Although supernovae release a huge amount of energy, Betelgeuse is far enough away, about 600 light-years, that we would be safe from the blast. We would, however, have a front-row seat to one of the most spectacular shows in the cosmos. But what if Betelgeuse doesn't go supernova? Even then, its dimming can still have significant implications. For one, it gives scientists an opportunity to study a star's life cycle in more detail. By observing Betelgeuse, we can learn more about how stars change as they age and expand our understanding of the universe. Moreover, the dimming of Betelgeuse has implications for the field of astrophysics itself. It's a reminder that our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving and that there's still so much we don't know. The unexpected dimming of a well-studied star like Betelgeuse challenges our current theories and prompts us to ask new questions. It's events like these that drive scientific discovery forward, pushing us to refine our models and deepen our understanding of the universe. And finally, the dimming of Betelgeuse has cultural implications. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a humbling demonstration of the vastness and mystery of the universe. It's a testament to the fact that we are part of a dynamic, ever-changing universe, a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. Whether or not Betelgeuse is about to go supernova, its dimming has certainly lit up the world of astronomy. And even if the star returns to its usual brightness, the questions and discoveries sparked by this event will continue to illuminate our understanding of the cosmos for years to come. Betelgeuse's unprecedented dimming has truly been a cosmic alarm bell. This extraordinary event in our cosmic neighborhood has captured the attention of astronomers and stargazers alike, igniting a flurry of theories and raising fascinating questions about the mysteries that the cosmos still holds for us. We've journeyed together through the timeline of Betelgeuse's dimming, a captivating story that began when this red supergiant star, one of the brightest in our night sky, started to lose its luster. From its initial dimming in late 2019 and the significant drop in brightness in early 2020, to its gradual recovery later that year, this celestial saga has been nothing short of mesmerizing. We've explored the intriguing theories behind this dimming, from the dust cloud hypothesis suggesting that Betelgeuse ejected a cloud of dust and gas that obscured its light, to the possibility of a stellar cycle causing changes in brightness, and even the thrilling speculation of an impending supernova. Each theory, in its own way, sheds light on the complex and dynamic nature of stars, and the intricate cosmic ballet they partake in. But perhaps most importantly, we've pondered on the implications of Betelgeuse's dimming. This event has reminded us that even the most seemingly constant celestial bodies are subject to change and transformation. It's a testament to the transitory nature of the universe, a cosmic whisper telling us that stars, just like us, have their own life cycles. They are born, they live, and ultimately, they die. As we wrap up this cosmic journey, it's important to remember that the unprecedented dimming of Betelgeuse is not a cause for alarm, but rather, an invitation to marvel at the wonders of our universe. It's a reminder that we are but tiny observers in an ever-evolving cosmic arena, privileged to witness these celestial spectacles. As we continue to observe this celestial giant, we're reminded of the beauty, mystery, and immense scale of our universe.